Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode at the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we'll be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that will help you lose weight. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and basically doing anything in the fitness industry. These are replacement meals and snacks for the high calorie foods that will ruin your diet. That's what the anabolic diet does, guys. It's to satisfy that cravings of the high calorie foods so you won't need a cheat meal. All of my recipes got low calories, high protein, and a lot of flavor. Most of my recipes got similar macros to the chicken, rice, and veggie meals. If you're eating chicken, rice, and veggies back to back and you didn't get tired of it, this video may not be for you. More chicken, rice, and veggies for you. But for most of us, we're gonna get tired of the diet sooner or later, and we are gonna want a cheat meal. If you follow the chicken, rice, and veggies diet, that diet is going to work, I guarantee you. The only thing that sucks about the chicken, rice, and veggie diet is that you have to follow it to work. But the anabolic diet works the same ways, guys. You have to follow it for it to work. What I notice is when you eat the same thing back to back every single day, that's when you start craving the cheat meals. If you eat a cheat meal, you're gonna set your diet back a lot and you're gonna notice it on your physique. If you're watching this video, it's because we have one similar goal, and that's either to lose weight or to stay fit. Our goal is not to eat good, guys. Our goal is to lose weight. But the anabolic diet, guys, lets you eat as good as possible while still losing weight. This diet has a lot of recipes that will crush your food craving and not make you want a cheat meal. So in today's episode, we're gonna be crushing one of your peanut butter and jelly sandwich cravings with the anabolic one. All right, guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first thing is first, get your food scale ready with the bowl. Okay guys, first ingredient, we're gonna need 24 grams of PB Fit peanut butter. Okay guys, remember 24 grams. All right. Remember guys, 24 grams, okay? For our next step, get some water in a cup and pour it little by little. If you pour too much, it's gonna be too runny and it's not gonna be a peanut butter consistency. We want a peanut butter consistency, okay guys? All right, pour little by little. Okay guys, little by little. If you pour too much, it's gonna be too runny and you're gonna have to add more peanut butter and then it goes to macros, okay guys? All right, let's go. Just keep mixing it. It should look similar to that, and that was a perfect amount of water. I didn't have to add anything, but I swear just a little drizzle more and it would have been too runny. Okay, for our next ingredient, we're gonna need 2 pieces of bread, 40 calories a piece. And there's other breads out there with different calories. Just look at the calories, okay guys? All right, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 51 grams of peach preserves, all right? Sugar-free, 51 grams. All right, let's go. Okay guys, I already got my bread toasted, and let's measure the peach preserves and put the peanut butter and jelly sandwich together. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 51 grams, okay? Okay guys, look, this is how we're looking. Let's put it back, let's put it together and let's enjoy this sandwich. All right guys, let's go. Very simple. Okay guys, we got our sandwich assembled, and let's cut it open and let's try it out, and we'll see right now what's up. Look at this peanut butter and peach jelly sandwich. All right guys, let's try this bad boys out, and it's taste test time. Let's see, which one do I want? Look at that bad boy right there. When you see the calories on this bad boy, you're gonna be like, oh no way. Okay, let me try one now. Try this one. Cheers guys, let's do this. Peanut butter and peach jelly sandwich. Oh my God. Falling. It's a lot in there. This thing is delicious, guys. Try it out, guys. Please make this sandwich. When you see the macros, be like, nah, I could eat a couple of these and still be good. Don't worry about it. If you eat the regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich with the regular peanut butter and the regular jelly, that thing has a lot of sugar, a lot of calories, and it's gonna make you gain some weight, okay? This is not gonna make you gain no weight. You know, you could eat 3 of them, not even a bunch of calories, guys. Probably has the same as calories as one of the other ones. Guys, this peanut butter and peach jelly sandwich is to diet for. Guys, we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me, guys. I'm replacing the chicken dinners with peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay guys, to the macros, if you do it exactly the same way I did it, it's only 215 calories, 17 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 10 grams of fiber, and 40 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. This PB&J sandwich is gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just can't eat one. And if you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. Guys, please make this sandwich. I know you like this sandwich a lot, but I know one thing that you like more than this sandwich, and that's losing weight while eating PB&J. Okay guys, comment below on how much you guys like the sandwich, and also comment below on how much weight you guys started to lose, and I'll comment to everyone back. Okay guys, these recipes take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. So you want to support me? I do have this recipe in my cookbook, and I'll put a link in the description box below for purchase. If you guys want me to work on any specific recipe, please comment below and I'll work really hard on it. And if you guys want to make more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay guys, remember, till next time, always try and subscribe, share, like, and bye. Till next time, Manny out.